Hello beautiful people, welcome back. I'm Anna and today we look a little different. We're makeup free. It's Thursday and it's my first week of work, so I'm exhausted. But either way, for today's video I put together 10 designer items that are very ugly. It's just to prove to you guys that money, expensive items does not mean stylish, does not mean looking good. It's more and more common now that designers just want to make people shocked rather than like their pieces. I feel like part of fashion has become just who can get the most press with whatever they put out, and this is kind of a proof of that. If you hear any noise in the background, I'm so sorry. My dishwasher takes like 7 hours to wash dishes and I don't have 7 hours to wait to edit this video. Therefore, I apologize for the noise. Let's get started. And we're gonna start with this piece of work. Why? Just why? I'm gonna put the prices on the screen too so that you guys can see how much they're charging for things like this. This is a sequins tote bag, a mini ketchup sequins tote bag. I'm gonna put prices and brand on the screen so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. This is ridiculous. Who would pay $1,300 for this? I don't know, but I'm sure there's people out there who are doing it, which is insane to me. Like, why would you want this? I am blown away by this. Like, why is this a thing? When in your life have you put on an outfit and being like, you know what would go great with this? My ketchup bag. When? I don't get it. We were okay without this in the world. Next. This one. Nothing I love more than wearing a trash bag out in public. Why? This is literally looks like a trash bag. You can't change my mind. It's yard work day for you. Why? Why do we need this in the world? Almost $6,000 too. Am I the crazy one? Like, are people actually wanting to buy things like this? A $6,000 trash bag jacket? The name is Flower Potted Jacket. It gives me futuristic, recycled fashion vibes for some reason. It's a trash bag. And to follow that atrocity, we have another atrocity. And this one I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of comments about on my Instagram, because you guys always just lash out over there, not in the comments here. It's always over there. I always get the messages over there. But either way, yes, I am coming for this brand. Why? I feel like I'm gonna say why a lot during this video. Why is this a thing? This is like the grandparent of Crocs that thinks he's cool and now drives a motorcycle. It kind of reminds me of a clothing iron. Maybe water shoes? Like, they look like water shoes. All I know is that $1,800 to look this ridiculous can't be something people are actually considering in their daily lives. And this is something I always talk about. Like, I've talked about this before. I feel like a lot of people purchase these designer items because they see them on their favorite TikTok celebrity, they see them on models, they see them on influencers, and the truth is they're not buying those clothes. Like, a lot of the time they're getting paid to promote those clothes. You're spending thousands on downright ugly clothing. So if that has been you at any point, if a celebrity or influencer or whatever it may be changed your mind about an ugly item, think about it twice. If you don't like it, you don't like it. Just because somebody else wore it should not have an impact on that. I can't even look at it. I feel like they should pay me to even look at this. Emotional trauma lawsuit coming your way. To follow that, we have this piece of crap. Why would I pay $4,000 to look like this? And there's no angle that you can tell me that looks better. I feel like there's nothing you can tell me. I'm pretty sure I've seen this type of pants at the thrift store for $2. Why are we paying $4,000 for this? Why do they think this is okay? I don't get it. If you see me looking down, it's because I have the picture in front of me and it's like a car crash. When you see a car crash, no matter how horrible it is, no matter how gruesome, you can't look away. That's how I feel about these pants. I don't get it. I don't get it. I am a huge animal lover, but you know those really small fuzzy dogs with like the really crusty eyes that people say every white girl has at one point in her life? This is the clothing version of that. And I love it in a dog because it's a dog and dogs are angels that can do no wrong. But when you put this on a shirt, you lost me. Why would I want to wear this? What about this tells people I respect myself? It looks like I rolled out of bed like that. Looks like I haven't showered in a year. I'd much rather wear what I'm wearing right now than wear this $2,700 t-shirt. And honestly, it's not even about money. Like, this shirt I bought for maybe, I want to say $10. It's a mesh shirt. I threw it over a black turtleneck. I like this look. I feel like it looks classy, it looks put together, and it was for an insane fraction of that price. I just can't understand people who are willing to spend $2,790 to look like this. I'm speechless. I feel like I was sent back to a decade that I do not belong in, just staring at these pants. I'm not a denim wearer, you guys already know that, but this is like my worst denim nightmares coming together. All the denim shades I hate got together in my dreams and figured, how can we truly forever traumatize this child? And then they make this pants. They even provide a video, and I don't want to see it move. I'm scared. Hamburger crystal clutch bag, $5,600. And this designer actually has a line of purses like this. I was looking at them. She has a pizza slice, she has a castle. They're all like beaded like this, and they're all over $1,000. And the question is, once again, when do you put on an outfit and think, you know, I think a hamburger purse would go amazing with this? You don't. Nobody has ever had that thought. It angers me to just look at it, so I'm gonna move on from this one because it just angers me. I can't. If a protagonist of a soap opera and a surfer had a child, it would be this dress. And it's the most horrendous child. You know how you're not supposed to tell people that their baby is ugly? This baby is ugly. This is the ugliest creation out of two beings, whether alive or not, that I've ever seen. Nothing about this dress makes sense. It's not edgy, it's not romantic, it's not well construed on the idea. I hate this dress. I'm pretty sure I should probably take a sleeping pill tonight because this dress is gonna haunt me. I will not be able to sleep due to this dress. Why? And I know I've said why a lot in this video, but why? Who's thinking this thing? Who's sitting down and thinking, I'm gonna design a dress that's half scuba suit and half a bed sheet? I distraught. I cannot handle so many bad designs. I thought I could get through this video, but I'm struggling, guys. I'm struggling. If you went around your grandmother's place and cut a piece of each curtain in her house and you put together a skirt, it would still be better than this. I don't know at what point they thought this was a good idea. I don't know why would anybody consider 5 different patterns blended together to create this atrocity. There's not a color scheme, there's not a connection in between them, maybe the yellow tones, but even that way, just, you know what it is? I feel like at this point designers are just bored. I honestly feel like, even though there are amazing designers out there doing amazing work, I will admit that, but I feel like a lot of big names in the industry at this point are just bored of their lives and they're just throwing out whatever they themselves don't even believe in because they know somebody will buy it just because it has their name on it. That's how I feel about this skirt. All of my kitchen racks together will make a better skirt than this. And last but not least, we have this dress. And while I get the irony of this dress and I get what it's trying to do, it bothers me. It deeply upsets me. It's lazy. It's cliche. It's rude to my eyes. I have no words. If you don't have it in you to keep designing, don't come up with shit like this, because this is actually, that's all. That's all. That's this video, guys. I'm sorry if it came out negative. Bad design pisses me off. It just gets the best of me and I can't. Maybe next week I'll do good designs for Friday's video, just because Friday is the beginning of the weekend, you wanna have fun, you wanna feel relaxed. Anyways, if you guys want a part 2 of some of my favorite designs, I'd love to share them with you. As always, these are my opinions. You're entitled to your own opinion. If you liked any of the designs I show here today and you think I was too harsh on them, feel free to let me know in the comments. I love to bounce ideas off of each other. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe. I love you all. Have a wonderful week. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. It really does help my channel do better. Mwah.